starting at the 250 rated Martin bot and increasing the bot each move to be stronger and stronger. I'm going to be increasing by 5 bots at a time until eventually I make it to the 3200 level computer. It's going to look something like Martin, then Ilani, then Aaron, and so on and so forth. Let's get started. All right, here we go. Martin is up first. I'm going to play e4, and my plan is going to be to play very aggressively early on because I need to get a big lead before I make it to the stronger bots. All right, let's go ahead and change the bot. But like I said, we're jumping up by 5 bots at a time, which would put us at Ilani. Okay, here we go. I think probably the most aggressive thing to do is just to take this, so let's go ahead and take it. Okay, knight to f6. Let's change the bot. We're already up to a 700 rated Aaron. Let's see if I can play something a little bit tricky. How about bishop to b5 check? There are some tricks here. Let's see what he's going to do. Decent move. Okay. Let's change the bot, and we're moving up to Amir. All right. I'm going to go bishop c4 and see what Amir's going to do. One of the lines. He's playing like the best moves, I believe. All right, let's change the bot. This is not a great start for me. These bots are playing very well. Sven, 1100 rated. And I'm going to play f3. Hope we get a mistake here. Knight takes d5. Finally, we see a little bit of a mistake. All right, let's go ahead and change the bot. And thank you, Sven, for that. We're playing against Nelson. It's Nelson versus Nelson. All right, well, I think the only move is to take the bishop. Doesn't really make sense to do anything else. So thank you very much. No surprise there. Nelson starts to bring the queen out. All right, let's change the bot. Antonio is a 1500 rated. Okay. So I do want to, let's see. Nelson is not playing anymore, but the queen's already been out. I think we just develop. I think we just play knight to f3. It looks like a good move. Okay, knight to f4. Seems like it's not the greatest move. Let me go ahead and change the bot, and then I'll think about what I'm going to play here. So we're up to Isabel, a 1600 rated bot. Okay. So I want to play d4 and unleash this guy probably, but then this is happening. I think I just need a castle, but what's happening on queen to c5 check? I'm losing my bishop. So what's a good move here? How do I deal with this in a good way? Actually, you know what? What if I played d4, allowed this, king to f2, the knight would have to probably go back to f4, and then I trade? That's an idea. Is there something else that I'm missing? It seems like there should be a better way to defend this. I guess I could just play king f2. Nope, that's the same problem, and bishop is hanging in all of these lines, which I don't love. You know what? Okay, here we go. So what if I castle? I allow the fork, and then I play d4. Because d4 unleashes my bishop. So even though I'm going to lose this guy, I'm going to be able to take here. Yeah, it's got to be the way to do this. All right, let's go ahead and castle. I think that's the move. Castle. b5 is played. Okay, interesting. Let's change the bot. And we are up to Wally. So already up to an 1800 rated. We do have a nice advantage. Now, is it going to be enough to win the game? I don't know. All right, let's see what we can do here. So if we take... we kind of have the same issue. We could still play d4, and it's basically the same. I don't know if this is check. What am I even saying? It's check. So probably c6, then we retreat. That should be fine, right? We just take it and we come back. I don't see any issues with that. All right, let's take it. Do what Wally's going to do. Yeah, he plays c6. Let's change the bot. We are up to Lee, 2000 rated Lee. Okay. Well, we're going to retreat this. The question is where? a4 or e2? a4 or e2? a4 looks pretty good, just keeping the pressure on that pawn. e2 is not bad either, just seems a little bit passive. I think I will go with a4. I don't have to worry about this fork because my knight's covering that. But let's go bishop to a4. Okay, changing the bot. Who do we have next? So we're moving on to the master level bots. We have Gnome, 2200 rated. It's gonna start to get pretty interesting. Okay, I think I want to play d4. I want to get that pawn up there and get my bishop out. I think that's what we need to do. So let's play d4. Okay, changing the bot. Who's next? The last master bot that I'm gonna play, Francis, 2300, and then we're moving on to the top players. And shortly after that, it's gonna be the 3200 rated computer. Okay. So trading is good usually when you're ahead, so I'm definitely considering this. It's a pretty powerful knight, and my bishop's just sitting over here anyway. Also puts the queen in line with this. So that looks pretty strong. I could also just develop the knight. No, I think I may as well just take it, right? Let's go ahead and trade that. Okay. Queen takes. Let's change the bot. So here we go. We're jumping to the top players. So let me just look here. We've got... I'm going to choose like the lowest rated top player and then go from there. They're not in rating order here. So it looks like Irina... Is it Irina Crush? From what I can see? Yeah, Irina Crush, I believe, is going to be... Oh, no, Morphe's 2,500. Morphe would be the lowest. All right. So it's Paul Morphe. All right, here we go. Morphe is 2,500. So, let's see. What do we have here? I want to play this move because it unleashes the... Ah, but there's a check. There's a check that kind of messes up my idea. So, what if I played queen to d2, trying to offer the queen trade? Oh, there's also this, I'm just noticing. That would be nice. Can I get away with that? I think I can. Everything looks well defended. This is going to force some more trades, which is exactly what I want. Exactly what I want to do. I'm going to take this. Castles. Interesting. Okay, let's change the bot. Let me see who's the next rated one here. So, yeah, it looks like maybe Judith Polgar with 2735. Okay. That's a big jump. Let's go. Polgar it is. Okay, 2735. All right, so I think I want to continue with the plan of just trading. Trade here and play c3. I want to make this really solid position that I can't blunder anything. That's my plan. I think it's going to be good enough to win. Let's try it. So we'll trade this. Okay. Changing the bot. So, okay, we'll go with Giri. Giri is next. And then we have one more bot before we jump to the maximum level Stockfish. All right, Giri's up. So I think I want to just stick with the plan. I want to play c3, just keep my position super solid. I guess I could defend this too. H3. I wasn't going to worry about it because if I play c3, yeah, no, there's a fork, which would force another trade, which I'm happy about. So I'm going to play c3. Okay, bishop to d6. All right, let's change the bot. This is going to be the last top player bot, and then we're on to the 3,200 level Stockfish. So who's going to be the last one here? It's going to be the highest rated. Who's the highest rated? Well, it's Fabiano at 2840. Okay, still holding the lead. We have to watch out for checkmate, but we've got it covered. I think we just continue the development. And pretty happy with that. There's also queen to d2. Takes the... No, I'm going to just develop. I'm just going to develop my piece here. Knight to d2. Okay. Yeah, captures the pawn. That's okay. And here we go, folks. We're changing the bot, and it is time for Stockfish to finish out the game. Or it's not really Stockfish. It's, I guess, is it Komodo Dragon or something? It's the top level computer is all you need to know. 3,200 rated. Here we go. I have an advantage of 5.6. Is it enough to win the game? I want to go 95. I want to force the trade. I want to force the trade. Takes, takes. Takes, takes. Yes, you can double up, but I can defend, and I've got a piece. I think I can win that endgame. I'm going to go for it. Knight to e5. Ooh. Stockfish says it's a blunder, which I don't really see. I'm going to take. He's going to double up, and I'm going to defend. Oh, is it so? Oh, is it because I'm not going to be able to get out of the pin? Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so maybe I did kind of misplay this. No, but I can go here and do this. Yeah, it is not ideal now that I'm looking at it. It's not an ideal situation. Is it enough to hold on? That's the question. All right, let's go here. Ideally, I want to trade. Of course, she doesn't want to. We're going to play h3. Okay. I think we can... Let's see. Yeah, we can go b3 to defend. And a4 to defend that. Okay, he's going to keep the pin. So I need my king to support this. So let's go king e1. And I need to get out of the pin. I have to get out of the pin. So probably rook's got to come up like this. And then we can move our knight somewhere and actually do... So let's do that. Bring the rook over. Bring... Actually, I don't need to bring it up. I can just move now. The knight is free. Stockfish is pushing some pawns over here. I do have these guys. Start pushing this one maybe. Would be an idea. Or I can just find a great spot for the knight. Let's think about this. Yeah, maybe we can just sink the knight into c5. Could be an idea. Or should I just start pushing the pawn? Should I just start pushing it? Maybe I will, actually. Maybe I will do that. Let's play c4. Okay. That's a threat, but it's covered. I mean, what if I just keep pushing it? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? One? Okay. We could push this one to support it. Would this be time to bring the knight in? That looks pretty good, actually. That looks real solid. Maybe I'll trade this first, and then we'll bring the knight in. Let's do that. Okay. Let's see. Right here or right here? Actually, both of these moves. Maybe this one's better. I don't know. Ah, but if I move that, I'm losing this pawn. I'm losing the pawn. I don't want to lose the pawn. Maybe I play b4 first. All right, let's play b4. Okay, we're doing good. I think we're doing great, guys. Let's go ahead, defend everything. All right, so we can bring the knight up and bring it into d6, which looks very good. What's black going to do? I don't know. Maybe attack me here. Stockfish is so tricky too. Let's try knight c4 and see what's going to happen here. All right, so the pawn is under attack, but maybe rook to b2 defends that. Let's try rook b2. Okay, we'll trade. But we're hanging on. We're hanging on. If I can get these rooks traded, I think we can do it. I don't know if he's going to trade. Yeah, I didn't think so. What do I do now? Maybe bring the king this way. Okay, we can defend that with the knight or the rook. I think I like the rook. Go here. Okay. So we come down here. We're gonna have to give up this pawn probably. Although I could go here, f5, and then come down like this. Maybe that's the best way to make him do it. Okay. So do I want to go get this pawn or this pawn? Here. Here. I'm losing this. That's okay. I'm gonna get a bunch of pawns. Let's I think we want to get rid of these guys. Let's try to do that. Ooh. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem where we have to deal with that. Let's bring the king over. We don't want to get forked. All right, now we can take this one. Okay. Now we can take this one. And I think we're going into an endgame we can win. Still have to be a little careful. But it looks doable. Maybe you just start pushing this guy. Let's do that. G4. Right. C6 would be a pawn trade. Can we win that? Yeah, we should be able to win that endgame. Let's go C6. Trade these. Okay. So. Oh. He's making it easy. This is easy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We did it. We did it. I can win this. I'm confident that I can win this. Because the knight, yeah, he's not even going to try to stop it. There you go, folks. There you go. Did it. Let's get the checkmate. Make sure we don't stalemate. That's how you beat a 3200 rated computer. Just have Martin make a few moves early on. No, that was actually pretty close, especially that one critical moment where I kind of missed the idea of how strong this pin was going to be. Black actually had quite a bit of compensation here because my knight was tied down for a while, but we were able to get out of it. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you want to see next. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.